I'm going to show you the two available resources that I put on Blackboard that will help you understand APA citations. The first one is the OWL at Purdue. This is the Purdue University Online Writing Lab. They keep their page updated, and you'll see here at the top that this is updated to the 7th edition, which just came out this past October. Not all sources are created equal. Not everybody updates all of these. What's important for you to pay attention to is what's over here on the left-hand side. The first thing is in-text citations. This explains to you the basics of in-text citations. So this tells you how you should format your in-text citations. And this will help you understand where to put them depending on how you word your sentences. The second link here with in-text citations helps you understand what you're supposed to do if you have more than one author that has written the piece that you are referencing. So here you notice that you have to cite, when there's two, both names, but if there's 3 or more, you have to do et al. You don't list all of their names. For the references page, which comes at the end of your paper, this particular page gives you the basic rules that helps you understand how to format your reference list. It answers all of your questions for you, gives you basic rules, and all of the information that you should need to format it. Now, when you're actually giving your citations, you need to pay attention to these particular links. If you have a scholarly article, it's an article in a periodical, and you should use this link here. If you have a book that's cited differently than an article in a periodical. And then again, they have electronic sources, so those are web pages and things like that. Here's how you cite videos, TV shows, movies, etc. And then if your sources aren't listed here in these particular links on the left, then you can do either other print sources or other non-print sources. I'm going to use articles in a periodical as an example to help you better understand some things that you need to know. Note here that the authors are only listed by last name followed by their initials of their first and middle name. This goes in order that they are in the source that you're using. Please also note that the title of an article, only the first word and proper nouns are capitalized, okay? So see here where it says this in the very paragraph I've highlighted for you. The title of the article is in a sentence case, meaning that it's only the first word and proper nouns in the title that are capitalized. So then make sure that everything that should be italicized is italicized. Everything that is listed here is listed for you. This particular point, the DOI, is important. You can find most of this when you do your citations by looking at the source. If there is no DOI, then you leave it blank because we will understand that it is not there. The other resource that I'm going to show you is the APA for Radford University undergraduates. I like this particular source because when you click the link that I've provided for you on Blackboard, it brings you right to this page. This is really nice because if you just put your mouse over I want to cite, then you can click on scholarly journals, magazines, websites, online videos. It breaks it down pretty nice for you and then even has I can't find my example should you not be able to find it. So let's take a look at books and book chapters for this one. This one is nice because it's color coded and then they give you an example that follows the same color coding that is listed above. This one also is a little bit more explanatory than the OWL at Purdue. But again, make sure that you have all of the information that is listed for you. They give you general rules right here. And they also give you some in-text citation examples, so that way you understand how to do it. So make sure that you have all of this necessary information that is important for you. Please note though, that this is the 6th edition, which means it is a bit out of date. So you might want to consider double checking it with the OWL at Purdue.